What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be starting this Basil and Daisy grow kits that I got from the dollar store. You know, it's the $1.25 store now because there ain't nothing a dollar. But I'm going to show you guys how to get these things started. And of course, in another video, in a later video, we're going to be providing y'all with some updates. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is the contents of the package. We are starting with the basil kit. So you see that the cup already comes with the drainage hose. This is going to be the seed paper. You can see the seeds inside already. And this is going to be our growing medium. So the instructions say for us to fluff out the growing medium using 3/4 cup of water, and that's what I have here. So I'm going to fluff that with a fork. It may look like a lot. So we're gonna just get that growing medium a little moist for a second before we begin to fluff it with the fork. Okay, and as it dissolves, you can see we are able to start fluffing it. So as long as, you know, as the moisture soaks up into the medium, just keep fluffing it until you've got everything nice and moist. It will seem like the 3/4 cup is not enough, but just allow it to absorb into the medium, and you will see that obviously it is enough, and that looks perfect. So next, our instructions say to fill the cup until and leave about a 1/2 inch from the top for space. So we're gonna do that now. And we're gonna need to leave a little bit of that medium to cover up the seed paper. So just keep that in mind as you try to determine what your 1/2 inch at the top is for. And you just wanna pat it down to provide a nice, level, even surface. Okay. And then we are going to lay the seed paper down flat. On top of the medium. And once that's complete, you're going to thoroughly moisten this paper before you put the rest of the growing medium on top. And I've got this little traveling pump sprayer with some nice cold water, and I'm just going to mist that seed paper again, making sure that it is thoroughly moistened before putting the rest of the soil inside. That seems to be good enough. Okay. And again, keep in mind we are going to be doing an update on this. I just wanted to show you guys how to actually start it. We're going to repeat the same process with the Daisy. And the last step is to cover with plastic to make the makeshift greenhouse effect. So I did go ahead and label the date and what they are. It's always good to label your garden so you know what's growing. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take these outside because we have already hit our last frost date here in Virginia. And I'm gonna just put them outside with the rest of my little garden. Okay, they're about to start cutting grass outside, but you can see I've planted some stargazer lilies here. We've got the colocasia jumbo, which is the elephant ears. We've got An already blooming elephant ears here, and my bird of paradise. And I also planted and started. Some Canterbury bells yesterday. So we're going to see what that looks like shortly. And again, I am going to be providing y'all with an updated video on how these Dollar Tree growing kits work. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any plant videos or any DIY videos, because I mean, I'm a new plant mom, and if Danny did it, you can too.